Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fancave. It is 6:44 p.m. Labor Day, Monday, September 6th, 2021. And what I have today is a 36-inch NuTone Verandah Deluxe. And for those of you who don't know, NuTone actually originated as a doorbell company. Bing bong. Now they branched off into fans, exhaust fans, the hoods for stoves, and of course a wide array of ceiling fans, which were a great enhancement to my childhood. The verandas, Pro lines, Slim lines, Sea Islands, all that stuff. Haciendas, and one thing that one of the characteristics about the Verandah Deluxe, I should say, it has this really cool switch cap that screws onto the the switch housing, and it has the blade brackets that actually say NuTone on them. Have a little scroll, and has this really cool looking ornate sideband, and major childhood fans. I don't recall seeing too many of them in the 36-inch configuration. Most of them were 52-inch. But yeah, just wonderful fans. I love these. It's one of the few residential fans I'll actually take. And this one appeared on Craigslist for I think it was $50 or something. Well worth every penny as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, a couple towns over, and I actually had E-Man fan in the car with me, and when the guy called me, and we were literally in the same town, driving around, and so I took a ride over there, and I picked up this fan. It's my favorite color combination for this. They have a number of different finishes. They have all brown, all white, white with polished brass accents. They have polished brass. The entire fan is polished brass. They have antique brass. I do like the antique brass as well, but yeah, this is one of my favorites. So it has the variable speed knob, so we'll start it off on, I guess we'll start it off on low. Now for the spin down. Yeah, and these are really they're really confusing wiring colors. There was a grayish brown, an off-white, and two reds. So I actually appreciate the advice from Dan Newman on the technical group. I couldn't make heads or tails of these wires, and it didn't make any sense. So I took the two reds, capped those off. The grayish brown one and the white one I connected to an extension cord, and I stood back a few feet and hit the button on the power strip, and it fired right up. So you know, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it's a great fan, and no, it's not for sale or trade, nor shall it ever be. Verandas I really am not looking to get rid of. These are some of the few fans I would actually like to have a collection of, like one of each, maybe two of each, but you know, I'd like to get you know, every size and every finish if possible. And you know, I have a couple of them new in the box as well. I have a white one and a polished brass one, and a you know, I just plan on, you know, getting as many of these as I can. These are kind of like, you know, kind of like industrials too. I'll take any, you know, any industrials. I just take them, and I don't want to get rid of them. Everything else I've got is fair game, you know, for the most part. Most of the residential fans I'm just looking to part with, but these are some of the few that I want to keep. There was a sub shop in town, you know, pizza place sub shop when I was growing up, that had two of these in 52-inch configuration, same color scheme as this. You know, so it's like, you know, my mouth starts watering every time I see one of these. I'm just pizza. But they're long gone. It was actually a back at the gym I went to 2 gyms ago. The personal trainer, whatever you call her, the coordinator of the, you know, I don't know, the one that tries to get my fat ass into shape, but isn't actually a personal trainer. The one that's like ahead of the personal trainers that tries to analyze my body mass index and all that stuff. Anyway, she was, I guess her husband's family used to own that particular sub shop, so I was asking, like, by any chance, do you know what happened to the fans? And, you know, they were, you know, she checked into it, and they were long gone, so I had no idea. The place has changed hands probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 times since then. They took the fans out and they put in 2 newer 5-blade pieces of crap back in the, I want to say, mid-90s and maybe early 90s. Trying to think of the last time I was there, and I remember seeing the fans. I mean, I had to, you know, I don't even remember. I mean, I might have been like 10, which would have been like 93, so yeah, you know, it's changed hands numerous times since then, and all the fans are gone. They've reconfigured the whole place, and so anyway, yeah, I absolutely love this fan. I have no intention of getting rid of it, and yeah, thanks a lot for watching, folks. Stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.